Hello, today I'm going to show you how I style my hair. I've just washed my hair and it's like no longer dripping, but it is quite wet still. That's how I start to style my hair. I would apply a little bit of my L'Oreal, so about 2 pumps of the coconut oil, extraordinary oil coconut. This is to give that resistance to any harmful things on my hair before I apply all the chemicals. Then I go in with my Ite Curls Leave-In Serum. This is an Italian product and it just gives those curls a good hold. Then I apply the John Frieda Lifting Mousse. Not that much. My hair is quite short. I don't want a lot of it. I just go and I just want the roots to be lifted, and that's about it. So now that's done, I'm going to dry my hair with my VS Sassoon hair dryer, and I'll be back. Because I was going for a beach wave, I didn't straighten my hair, just dried it with the hair dryer. For the back, I used this rod. And because I can't see the back of my hair, it just makes it easier and the curls seem to last longer. And for this, I forgot to mention, I'm going to apply some Silhouette Pure Formula Invisible Hold. And then I'm going to let this cool. So that is the finished look. It softens my face and it's very easy maintenance. This lasts till my next wash in 3 days. Cheers. Hope you guys have a good night. This is for me for tomorrow preparing my hair, and it should last till Wednesday.